Bharatiya Kisan Sangh Manipur Prant expressed disappointment at shortage supply of promised fertilizers for the farmers. Committee on Political Parties, a joint body of 10 political parties, urges for a special assembly session by September 15 to discuss various state issues. MPCC President T.N. Haukip accuses Modi government and Reliance Group of embezzlement on Rafale fighter jet. First woman chairperson of State Bank of India, Arundhati Bhattacharya, inaugurates boys' hostel of Mary Kom Boxing Academy at Langor. And MLA Satyabrata and MLA Joy Kisan extend financial help to ailing Impact News video editor Kakching Tabam Bipin Chandra. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Lashram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. General Secretary of Bharatiya Kisan Sangh Manipur Prant Dara Telem has expressed disappointment at the non-allocation of promised fertilizers to the farmers due to discrepancies in the execution of the Agriculture Department. Dara expressed the same to media persons at Manipur Press Club this afternoon. He maintained, as assured by Agriculture Minister V. Hankhanlian yesterday, of providing adequate fertilizers from today. Many farmers lined up at District Agriculture Office since early this morning with their land documents to get fertilizers. However, many farmers were not issued fertilizers due to inadequate stock. Dara also stated that a new norm to bring land documents for getting fertilizers rendered many farmers helpless. He alleged that some people even brought fake documents and there was no proper channel to verify the same. Dara also urged to the government to call for a cabinet meeting and make proper policy to counter such scarcity of fertilizers.
Lomi the Pangaroi, Machini Kisan is going to pin Rishi. Lomi ki smart card, Shamdring, Maraksida, Karim the Harj, Bibi Batargadi, Lomi sing the Su, Tasing Har, Lobi Habatargadi, Gram Panchayki, what member na, Mahaki, Lomi Dugi, house number, Manu Uriba Low Masing, Madu, Magi, other Xerox Copimada, Magi Siliana, identified to Ramon the Harje, Bibi Whining ever. Anti-corruption selgi kamu karidong lebiri no masih karim tu tada bra market hingga black the lupa lising the har yo lisibo amatang habang am the
AICRP on nematodes in agriculture Imphal Center and Wabagai Oriented Farmers Club under the aegis of Directorate of Research Central Agriculture University Imphal organized a one-day awareness program on awareness towards nematodes today. The awareness program held at Wabagai Tinge Lekai was attended by altogether 120 farmers. Scientists in charge of AICRP Imphal Center, Dr. Khetrimayum Sumita, spoke at length on crop loss, importance, symptoms and management at different crops and advised the farmers on ways to enhance production on the occasion. Committee on Political Parties, a joint body of 10 political parties, has urged the government to call a special assembly session before September 15 to discuss various issues of the state, including Indo-Naga Framework Agreement. The committee asserted that the Framework Agreement will not bring peace in Manipur or other northeastern states. Addressing media persons at Congress Bhavan this afternoon, convener of the committee, R.K. Anand expressed disappointment that the proposed special assembly session was cancelled on 2 occasions and termed it as a weakness of the BJP government. He termed the government a failure for failing to address the woes of the people. R.K. Anand asserted that the committee was formed to address various issues of the state and not to take political mileage ahead of the elections. The former MLA also accused the government for siding with the unlawful NSCN-IM while disregarding the interests and sentiments of the people of Manipur, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. He said people of the state are in apprehension with regards to probable extension of Article 371 Clause A and 6 Schedule in Manipur, even though the government says otherwise.
Labor Punjariba political parties Mam Singsina, Pangtokam Tokodum session of Manina Kushlozi. And the Masi 15th September Simamangsida, the Sweden of Patoka of the Sequigi. Demani, Nasi Enis and I am got Tawira Kanaka Tawige, we don't know. Nasi Miam, just a handful of me listening Mari Manga, Labor Noi Pai Hyper. Am Kambu Singduga negotiation, though the Manipur Tugaini, Assam Tugaini. Arunachal Pradesh to kind of wafam silaktar kadi kulai paida of millions and lakhs and crores population Assam ki miam Manipur miam Arunachal Pradesh miam sing siga government of Iraq si agreement to buy se matok tar se koi fill to web sini koi ki pandam koi na changjala ken khanjari.
Proscribed outfit Kanglei Park Communist Party Military Council Progressive in a press release questioned the government's inability to arrest perpetrators responsible for planting bombs under the guise of KCP when it has the power to recover missing arms from the second Tema. The outfit warned of declaring general strike on September 5 and 6 if the government and authorities concerned failed to nab the culprits within 5 days. It claimed that a special team of the outfit, Operation Mangal, investigated the case and found that individuals responsible for the bomb blast at Tera on October 13, 2017 are currently being sheltered at 39 Assam Rifles Kha Kapching camp. The party also accused the present government of accommodating leaders of the gang in various army camps instead of taking befitting legal actions against them. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has launched a poster campaign countering India's Rafale scam today. The campaign was launched as part of the movement initiated by National President of All India Congress Committee Rahul Gandhi against the Rafale scam. Launching the poster campaign, MPCC President T.N. Haukip asserted that a single Rafale fighter jet now cost 1,670 crore rupees, which was 526 crore rupees during the UPA government. He accused Prime Minister Modi-led government of embezzling public money in purchasing Rafale fighter jet from Ambani-led Reliance Group. T.N. Haukip warned of various agitations against the same along with the public.
India Aeronautic Limited Hall, Hindustan Aeronautic Limited Hall से Government of India के public undertaking ने अदु द पीदना government related public undertaking defense concern कामु द पीदना अनिल अंबानी मागे political friend corporate ता पीछे ले रगा Indian की defense in security से problem create तो रहे मोदी की interest ता India security योंथोक पगे port लाकनी है बदगे एकोई की नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट राहुल गांधी ना पार्लियामेंट पुथोए अदुना एकोई स्टेट लेवल दा प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमिटी अमसुंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट कांग्रेस कमिटी ब्लॉक कांग्रेस कमिटी दा रासेल स्कैम से द पीपल ऑफ मणिपुर एंड द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया दा मान मागी स्टेट ता एक्सपोज तो नबा पब्लिक एजुकेशन पी नबा हाई ना एकोई संक्शन बनी.
President of IFM in a press release notified that members of IFM, HRA, JPF, Tami Chingmi, Nupi Samaj, UMO, Nongpok Lengak Apunba Lup and Nongchup Imphal Apunba Mairapai Lup met Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah and apprised her on the inordinate delay in CBI's investigation regarding July 23, 2009 fake encounter case. Meanwhile, the hearing of A.K. Jhalajit's case, which was scheduled to be held today, was rescheduled on September 11. First woman chairperson of State Bank of India, Arundhati Bhattacharya, has inaugurated a new boys' hostel of Mary Kom Boxing Academy today. Mary Kom Regional Boxing Foundation held the inaugural event of the two-story hostel constructed at an estimated cost of 2 crore rupees under SBI's Corporate Social Responsibility Policy at the Academy's complex in Langol. Speaking to media persons, former chairperson of SBI Arundhati Bhattacharya encouraged the youth to give all-out efforts and endeavor to bring laurels for the state and the country. She lauded Olympic medalist and Rajya Sabha MP Mary Kom for all her initiatives and especially for setting an example for women sportspersons. Lamenting that children of today are habituated and addicted to video games and mobile phones, the former chairperson stressed the need to support the endeavor of Mary Kom Regional Boxing Foundation.
Hopefully this will help people who would not otherwise have had access to sports to come here and learn how to be good in any particular discipline, and especially in boxing. SBI has been doing CSR for 1% of its profits for as long as I can remember. This was not dependent on the Companies Act, which mandated 2%. We are a statutory corporation, so we are not under Companies Act. When we set up the foundation, it was with the idea of doing large projects, because not everybody has the kind of funds that this bank could give, for a single project. And this boys' hostel project was one of the first that we gave. Again, the idea was to help our youth. The budding boxers, we are all looking forward to seeing you all out there doing your best, becoming professionals, excelling in your sport, and bringing a lot of pride and glory to your country and to your state.
Thado Students Association in a press release refuted the media statement of Hill Tribal Council More regarding July 13 More terror attack. TSA urged Hill Tribal Council More not to try and obstruct the process of justice over the July 13 More incident following a public interest litigation filed in the High Court of Manipur on August 16, 2018. TSA also strongly condemned President of HTC Ginkosei Lungdim for threatening TSA leaders over phone to withdraw the PIL. MLA Yai School Thokjom Satyabrata and MLA Thangmaiban Kumukjam Joy Kisan have extended monetary assistance for medical treatment to Impact TV's video journalist and video editor Kakching Tabam Bipin Chandra Sharma this morning. Bipin Chandra was admitted to Advanced Hospital in Palace Compound due to an illness for some time now. The MLAs met with the family members and wished Bipin Chandra for a speedy recovery. All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU also extended financial help to Impact News video editor Kakching Tabam Bipin Chandra. AMJU President Brojendro Ningomba and AMJU General Secretary Sukham Nanda handed over the monetary assistance to Bipin Chandra and his family at Advanced Hospital in Palace Compound this afternoon. They wished him speedy recovery. Kedo and Minister Karam Sham gave financial help to family members of late Arambam Bikain, a worker of Kanglai Economic Development Organization. Bikain died untimely from an illness on August 20 at his home in Langthabal Mantri Khong Awanglaikai, leaving behind 2 kids. He worked as a porter of Kedo in Khairamban market and also safeguarded belongings of the market during night time. Kedo and Karam Sham rendered help to the aggrieved family by jointly opening a fixed deposit account of 35,000 rupees, out of which 25,000 rupees was extended by Kedo and 10,000 rupees by the minister. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Karam Sham opined that youths must be encouraged to work regardless of the nature of the work. He lauded the efforts of Kedo for bringing about a change in the work culture to the youths. He said the evolving work culture facilitated youths economically and somehow helped in curbing drug abuse. Kedo Chairman Maniton stated that the organization has opened Kedo Finance by collecting meager amount from the workers. He assured Kedo Finance will also extend help for Bikain's children in their education.
Nongamadagi my bill singing Mating Pangana, Mogi Hingana, Honaba Katanatana, education the Aduda Tabak Toriba, China Sina, metric the first division of whom Europa Gaisi, si Manipur ki society da choba change amane balai sini akoi na thira ga adi manu ina encourage tau ina khanba aduna samaina akoi ki naharul sing gi wakhalon si laktana afaba khanba afaba thabak tawraba adu itardi societies da own ba hongba ma sungsoi soidan lagani
54 Battalion BSF Loktak project organized at its camp today. Councillor and ward members of Ningtaukhong Municipal Council and residents of Lower Komkairap, Upper Komkairap, Sadu, KH Aimol, Lauchulbung and Tokpa took part in a discussion meet. Commandant of the battalion, Sunil Kumar, has assured to give a free pre-recruitment training to the youths in the locality for CAPF CT GT recruitment. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on All Manipur Students Union observing its 53rd Foundation Day. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. All Manipur Students Union MSU observed its 53rd Foundation Day today. It may be recalled that the Students' Union was formed on August 28, 1965, following the death of three students during the movement against the state government for artificial scarcity of rice on August 27, 1965. Speaking to media persons, Manjit Sarangthem said that it is essential for all student and civil organizations in both the hills and the valley to stand united in order to solve various prevailing issues in the state. He said separatist politics among the hills and the valley will only widen the existing gap. Questioning whether Manipur and its people have obtained the rights guaranteed by the constitution since its annexation to the Indian domain, Manjit lamented that Manipur, in comparison to other societies of the 21st century, still lags behind in various sectors. Maintaining that the government and agriculture department plays a significant role in uplifting and easing the plights faced by farmers, he warned that MSU will counter any force that paralyzes and contributes in causing widespread famine in the state, similar to the one that occurred in 1965 in Manipur.
Information and technology IT gi matam masida ngasi gi naha sing educated or youth sing segi chungi future si kadom don have se chaw hangam khagni aikoi gi mahiroi kunaina manpur miam ga puna sagon narakanda tongan skill development program kya makak aduga entrepreneur sing jokana ba aduga aikoi gi hogolak liba naha sing asida kui mama lebak maza timram da munuk sibang am gi spirit amakak chelan bam makak susangi ramdun ne emsuna aikoi gi know your campaign hodo kanda aikoi gi horok liba naha sing nangi nama lebak naramdam nazati masak khangwa ha adugumba campaign junction ba hujarak liba simak manamdana MSU gi yakhum rek siba mapok kuman thorum asige iroinana MSU gi maikai dagi miam da pizining ba appeal de aikoi thangnari be susing ase matam punamakta aikoi sagon rakanda chatpagi motam asi gi waroi sin purakna ba aduga chakot lom da mang changsin na ba aikoi ngasi miam na mairoi khunai na matoi na khona minara kanda aikoi lemina ba changi.
A joint conference for all public leaders of More to discuss and come up with ways and means to combat use and sale of drugs was held today. Anti-Drugs Abuse Campaign Committee More under Hill Tribal Council More organized a meeting at the conference hall of Hills Tribal Council. The leaders assured to support to all movement against drugs initiated by the committee. Speaking on the occasion, convener of the committee, Khub Gangte, stated that the committee will undertake various precautionary measures to curb drug peddlers in and around More town. He also said various drives against the same will commence from September 1. Gangte asserted that such steps undertaken by for public welfare and appealed for public cooperation. Manipur Proletariat People's Democratic Union in a press release informed that a one-day discussion on resurrection of Hindutva fascism and its impact on Manipur will be held at SSUM's office on September 2nd at 11 a.m. Secretary of All Manipur National Health Mission Employees Welfare Association KH Jodha warned of intense agitation if the government does not address the grievances of the association without further delay. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Jodha stated that employees of the State National Health Mission face various grievances. He said the association held a state general governing body meeting on May 31st and came up with a charter of demands containing 10 points, including timely payment of salary and to provide EPF. Jodha recalled that the same was submitted to the government and the relevant authorities. He said the association was assured that the aforementioned 2 points would be translated into actions by August 21st. However, no actions are taken up till date.
In 2006 tagi hauraga ngasi fawba for 12 consecutive years thabuk tawjaraba staff singsi regulation gi khana bidab sisu yamna laibak thibane hana dagi thabuk tor staff khara si data entry operator computer operator office assistant sina singba staff singsi outsource to bana to company am da thabuk tawhon gro moise noi gi makha da lehen gano na dumaina mamangi chahi amani sidagi dumaina outsource to na hi honorable minister CM director principal secretary platform am da moi ga khoi ka wari sanaba level am kakta aduga moina akoi gi grievances singsi time frame amada sibau gi manungda moina complete tobigani haibagi assurance am ka koi pamjai na ta khangbidana sumaina sum thaido ga thambi bisidi khoi su makhal makha kya khongjang am sanction bayai.
United People's Front observed its 28th Foundation Day on the theme Manipur Through the Ages at Lamyan Bashanglan Palace Compound today. Speaking to media persons, UPF President W. Second opined that the state has been facing various issues, including fear of territorial disintegration after its annexation by the Indian Union. He asserted that different communities once existed in peace, love and harmony in the state with over 2,000-year-old history. However, after its merger with the Indian Union, the once harmonious existence among various communities has declined and there is even apprehension of disintegration of the state. W. Second stressed the need to protect the territorial integrity of the state by leaving aside any communal differences in the wake of various state issues like territorial disintegration, extinction of indigenous people. President of Zilangrong Union, Amu Kamai, advisor of Kuki NP Manipur, Thang Khosai Haukip, and many other resource persons attended the event.
JCLP na ngasi miyang gi mapam da thamliba India government da ngasi indigenous people singa sigi right singa che aikoi minority wena lejariba aikoi gi indigenous people singa che mut khidana bagi damak India gi parliament na ngasi Manipur gi assembly na pass tokriba ngakoi gi ek singa che aikoi pass torakanda aikoi gi iramdam Manipur se yaipon nungai na nuksi sana na aikoi gi ireibak iramdam se ngasi machet tagadaba sidagi aikoi punna hingminaba punna saukhatminaba amadi emotional integrity mo porakna ba honaba da ngasi gi chingtam aikoi punna saruk yaminarasi.
Lamyanba Irabot Ningsing Thoram Pangba Kanglup Committee has been formed, comprising of Manipur Proletariat People's Democratic Union, Socialist Students Union of Manipur, Proletarian Feminist Movement Manipur, and Socialist Women Association Manipur. SSUM in a press release informed that month-long 122nd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Irabot will be observed from September 1 to 30. Young Progressive and Athletics Club Ilangbam Lekai observed its 35th Foundation Day today. Late elders of the locality were commemorated by paying floral tribute at their portraits. Elderly persons of the locality were also presented with simple gifts and mementos on the occasion. Go-to village mission camps were organized at Thoubal, Bishnupur and Tengnoupal districts as part of the state government's initiative to facilitate better utilization of all state and central schemes. Thoubal District Administration organized the mission camp at Khangabok Sorok Wangma Community Hall in Khangabok Part 1, at Hangam Thabi Community Hall in Lilong, and at Tentha Khunau in Wangjing. The mission camp at Bishnupur district was held at Kabo Wakjing and at Howland 5 village in Tengnoupal district. Various government departments opened stalls at the camp. Welfare scheme cards and books were also distributed to the beneficiaries. A 6-month grassroots football coaching program kicked off on Kakching Public Ground today. Altogether, 250 boys and girls aged ranging between 8 to 10, 11 to 13 and 14 to 15 years are participating in the coaching program organized by District Sports Association Kakching under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. AFCB license holder MK Candid along with grassroots leaders Y Devata and KH Kunjanganbi will coach the young footballers. AMFA President S. Sanatomba, Secretary in charge L. Jyotimoy Roy, Treasurer L. Dilamani, President of DSA Kakching Y. Mongol Jao, Secretary M. Nilo, including eminent sports persons of the area, attended the opening event. The two-day ongoing second state-level Mukna Championship 2018, organized by Indigenous Mukna Association Kakching under All Manipur Mukna Association at Kakching Khulen Ibudau Kamlangba Shanglen, concluded today. Altogether, 82 players in various weight categories took part in the state-level championship launched by DC Kakching District, Nailenthang. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Bharatiya Kisan Sangh Manipur Front expresses disappointment at shortage supply of promised fertilizers for the farmers. Committee on Political Parties, a joint body of 10 political parties, urges for a special assembly session by September 15 to discuss various state issues. MPCC President T.N. Haukib accuses Modi government and Reliance Group of embezzlement on Rafale fighter jet. First woman chairperson of State Bank of India, Arundhati Bhattacharya, inaugurates boys' hostel of Marycom Boxing Academy at Langol. And MLA Satyabrata and MLA Joy Kisan extend financial help to ailing Impact News video editor Kakching Tabam Bipin Chandra.